Hello everyone, welcome to Kraku video series. This is an important update regarding the XAT 2023 examination. The XAT 2023 exam notification has released. So in this video, we will discuss about the important dates, exam pattern and many key things to know. So let us see in detail. XAT 2023 is going to be held on 8th January 2023. If you can see, the registration fees is around 2000 without late fee, and the exam is going to be held in around 71 test cities. So applicant can choose any 2 cities for the exam center. So apart from this, if you want to start the preparation for XAT 2023, one can use the most helpful sources, XAT previous papers. You can get them for free. The link is given below in the description, so please check it out. Also, we are going to launch the XAT 2023 crash course and also mocks very soon. We will notify you immediately whenever we launch the crash course. Yeah, these are the important dates of XAT 2023. So the registration for the XAT 2023 is from August 10, 2022, and the registration ends on November 30, 2022, and the admit cards on 20th December 2022. And the exam date, as mentioned earlier, January 8th, 2023, and the results will be announced on 3rd week of January 2023. This is a tentative date. Now let us see the eligibility criteria for XAT 2023. So if you can see, the students who hold bachelor's degree from a recognized university are eligible to apply for XAT 2023. A minimum 3 years duration of bachelor's degree is required. So those who completed their final examination by June 10th, 2023 may also apply. Students in the final year of their bachelor's degree are also eligible to apply for XAT 2023. They might be required to get a provisional degree from their institutes at the time of admission. Coming to the age criteria, there is no age limit for taking XAT exam. So anyone can take the XAT exam as long as you fill these eligibility criteria. Now let us have a look at the XAT 2023 exam format. So if you can see, this is the exam format of XAT 2023. There will be 2 parts in the XAT 2023 examination. In part 1, there will be 3 sections. The first section, verbal and logical ability, which consists of 26 questions with 26 marks. And the second section is decision making, which contains 21 questions with 21 marks. And the last section is quantitative ability and data interpretation, which contains 28 questions with 28 marks. So the marks for every correct answer will be awarded with 1 mark, and also minus 0.25 negative marking for the wrong answer. So all the MCQ type questions have 5 options with 1 correct option. Also minus 0.10 negative marking for every unattempted question after 8 unattempted questions. There is no negative marking for general knowledge, which is in the part 2. Also there will be essay. So there will be 25 questions in the general knowledge section with 25 marks. So if you can see, the duration of the test is 3 hours and 10 minutes. That is from 9:30 a.m. to 12:40 p.m. The essay shall be evaluated after the candidate is shortlisted for the interview. So the XAT score is being used for more than 160 institutes for the admission. So this is all about the XAT 2023 exam format. We will be back soon with more videos on detailed XAT preparation strategy, score versus percentile, top colleges accepting XAT scores, and so on. So please like and subscribe for more updates. Apart from that, if you have any doubts regarding the XAT exam or CAT or any other MBA related exams, you can ask your query on our official website, and the portal name is called Adda. So the link for the Adda is given below in the description, so please check it out. You just need to visit the link and raise your query and post it. Your doubt will be resolved by the experts and notify you immediately. So thank you so much guys, and all the best for your examination.